If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover the
Wow.
You'd be the smartest kid in the world if you did. I guess I've been through a lot. That's what we have in common, Slater said. Tell me one thing. Yes? Are you enjoying your life? I am. Then I'd keep doing this again and again. That's what I live for. Hearing things like that. She said, are you enjoying yours? I am. Then why would I tell you to stop?
Diciamo, non mi sento in Brasile, dai. Faccio dentro il Brasile, mi sento dai.
2 of those is fine. We would have liked another coin. Come on.
God damn it!
Where the coin's at? All right, 2 of those is fine. We would have liked another coin. Come on.
God damn it!
Coins at? Where the coin's at? All right, 3x on the 10 should be good. That should be good. 720 in there. 720 in there.
Whoa!
Dear, wow! That was a close one.
Oh. Hope I got out of the dash.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, I wonder